Whether you're just getting started with web development or testing a new website, you've probably come across the term localhost. Today I'm going to break down exactly what localhost is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for developers. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, we're diving into the world of localhost, a term that might sound technical, but it's actually something super useful and easy to understand, especially if you're into web development or testing websites locally. Let's get started. At its core, localhost refers to your own computer. It's the term used to describe the computer or device you are working on when you're hosting a website, service, or application locally. Localhost is represented by the IP address 127.0.0.1, which is a loopback address. This means that when you type localhost into your web browser, your computer will communicate with itself instead of connecting to the internet. Think of localhost as your personal server environment for testing and development. It's especially useful when you're working on a website or application that's not yet ready for public access. By using localhost, you can test your project in a fully functional environment, just like a live website, without anyone else being able to see it. This is great because you can make changes, fix bugs, and even break things without worrying about affecting real users. Localhost also makes the development process faster. Since everything runs on your own machine, you're not relying on external servers or the internet, which means less latency and faster loading times. It's a safe, private, and efficient way to build and test projects before taking them live. Localhost is primarily used for developers and testing. Let's say you're building a new WordPress site. Instead of setting it up on a live server where the public can access it, you can install a local development environment like XAMPP or XAMPP on your computer. These programs allow you to run a local server where you can install WordPress, experiment with themes, plugins, and content, and see how everything works, without needing a public domain or hosting service. For developers, localhost is a great way to test code. Whether you're working on a new feature, debugging errors, or experimenting with different configurations, localhost gives you a secure, local environment to try things out before pushing changes to a live website. This can be a real lifesaver when it comes to avoiding costly mistakes on your live servers. Localhost is also used for learning and education. If you're new to coding or web development, it's a fantastic place to practice building websites or applications without having to pay for hosting. It allows you to experiment freely in a private environment. Once you're comfortable with your project, you can then upload it to a live server. While localhost is perfect for development and testing, once your project is ready for the world to see, you need reliable hosting. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. After building and testing your site locally, you can easily deploy to Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting servers. We offer a fast, secure, and scalable environment to ensure that your site runs smoothly for all your visitors. Our hosting solutions are optimized for WordPress, e-commerce sites, and more. So whether you're launching a blog or an online store, Rapyd Cloud is the perfect partner to take your project from localhost to live on the web. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. So, to sum it up, localhost is your go-to environment for developing and testing websites and applications. It's a safe, efficient way to build projects before making them live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on web development and hosting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.